What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Solana, which has gone through another major pump guys, 34% up in the last 24 hours, currently valued at $22.42. So where is it heading to next? Is it time to buy? Is it too late? Have you missed the boat? Or is it time to invest into it still? Or is it time to sell it and take out your profits before it drops back down? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at its next prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go? Can it hit the $100 mark anytime soon? So on and so on. Obviously 2022 was a major drop for Solana, but can it recover in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So an exciting time for the crypto market, as you can see, 7% up, with Bitcoin going over the $20,000 mark finally guys. And we've got Solana as a third top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. And as you can see here, it has taken a little dip. It's hit about $24 earlier this morning. Right now has dropped to $22 over the last hour. It slowly started to climb in value. Over the last day, 34%. Over the week, a massive 70% up guys, and over the month an overall 60% up. So going into the coin market cap value here, we can, sorry, not the coin market cap value, the coin market cap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 200%, making it $2.8 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money currently being traded on Solana. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it right now, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. We are going to see a lot of people investing into it, buying into it, and also a lot of people selling it, taking out their profits. Huge amounts of profit can be made depending on when you invested into the crypto, especially when it was at its lowest point, about $12 or $13 or even $10 around, I think, last year. You're probably on a major profit right now. And yeah, I mean, I would personally sell a little bit of it, not fully. I would say about 20 to 30% of what I've got, I would sell it right now if I did buy it at its lowest point. But again, I didn't, so I'm just going to be holding on to it at the moment. So anyways, let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart, and we're going to get the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Solana, which is here in purple, $14.06. However, it is trading at a much higher value here at $22.15, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer. As usual, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart. We do have the blue and the orange line both heading towards the negative direction, looking quite bearish, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what I'm expecting from Solana over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Solana to drop down to around the $20 mark. However, that does not mean that it's not going to pump in between that time. I'm also expecting it to pump above the $25 mark over the next 3, 4, 5, 6 hours before it slowly starts to come back down in value. As you can see, the only reason why it's dropping at the moment is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 12 to 14 hours. So, and I've said this in most of my videos, whenever you see that kind of pump, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and that is exactly what's taken place, and it's likely to pump back up in value above $24.46, so essentially hitting about $25, and then it's likely to drop back down in value as well, down to about $20 towards the end of the day today. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now, we've kind of got a mixed signal. We've got definitely the blue line is looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line is slightly slanting towards a positive direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting over the coming days for Solana. So over the next week or so, towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Solana to be trading around the $23 to $24 mark, somewhere in between there. But again, That does not mean that it's going to be consistently staying at the current price range for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are likely to see a drop below the $20 mark, pump up to about $26, $27, up and down. But by the end of next week, it's likely to stay around $23 to $24. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. And as you guys can clearly see, since the start of 2023, 1st of January, it's been consistently going up in value. Yes, it's had its red days in between here and there, but overall it's gained a lot of value since the start of the year, and hopefully we can keep that going for the rest of the year at a slow and steady pace. So yes guys, over the coming weeks, so here I'm talking about towards the end of February, early March 2023, I'm expecting Solana to be trading around the $35 and $40 mark, somewhere in between there. Again, that's only if we don't see any major crashes or major bull runs. Obviously, if we do see a crash, it's going to be much lower. If you do see a bull run, it's going to be much higher. But these things are not predicted or expected as of now. If I am able to predict that in a couple of days or whatever it is, I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, Solana guys, so far so good. We are expecting more green candlesticks over the long term as well. So yeah, personally I am into crypto for the long term. If you guys have been watching my videos, you would know that already. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, day by day we are getting closer and closer to hitting the resistance target here of $63, which we are not too far off at the moment. Again, potentially over the next 2 to 3 months, I am expecting us to hit the resistance target here of $63 and potentially heading into the green zone. Let's say by May, June, we should be trading inside the green zone here, and towards the end of the year, dark green zone above the $100 mark is what my expectations are, depending on how the crypto market performs. But we should be able to head way above the $100 mark towards the end of the year, as we're not even too far off from there. Giving it a good 11.5 months left, it is achievable and it is doable. It doesn't require much of an increase when we have that much time period for us to hit $100. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Solana guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below your end of year target for this crypto. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So comment down below your end of year target for this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So before you click off the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as it helped me out a lot, and YouTube algorithm as well. You know guys how it works, so please subscribe, as it means a lot to me. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.